Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you top 5 cue card topics and which are really very important. Why? Because these have been in the exams repeatedly. So the chances of coming in the exam is 100%. One of the topics will definitely fall into your exam, whether you are preparing for academics or GT. So let us begin the top 5 cue card topics I will explain in detail. So the first one is topic number 1. Describe your study and work. That means your qualification if you are doing some job, or what degree you have passed, or if you are still a student, then what work do you do, what exactly do you study. Okay, the number one. B part is, do you like your job? If you are working somewhere or you are studying somewhere, whatever you are doing, do you like that or not? So you have to give the reasons. Even if they are not going to ask you why, it is very understood that you have to give reason for each of the point. Like C is saying, do you miss being a student? That means you are doing some job, and of course you were a student, and now you miss being a student? That student life, you find it very comfortable and very attractive? So they are asking you, and you have to justify your answer. You have to create a story on the spot, even if you don't like it or you don't you know find it good. So now the next part is D part. What subjects are you studying? So you have to mention the exact names of the subjects if you are a student. If you are not a student, then you would mention the subjects you used to like when you were a student. Okay, and of course you will give the reason also. E part is, why did you choose to study these or those subjects? That means you are giving the reasons why you like those subjects. Okay, why you selected those subjects when you were a student, or currently you are a student, why do you prefer these subjects? That means they are asking the reasons for selecting these subjects. So this was the topic number 1, describe your study and work. Now the topic 2, describe hometown. So they are asking about your hometown. First of all, like, absolutely you will give what is the name of your hometown. Even if this is not mentioned, this is quite obvious. You will tell the name of your hometown. Now the second question is it a big or a small place? So you are mentioning the features, okay, and the location also. That is it a village or a town or a city? And the third point, they are asking, do you like your hometown? Of course, you will say yes. Okay, everybody likes their hometown, but you will mention the reason why you like your hometown. What is so special about it? Okay, so describe your hometown a little. In the fourth question, they are giving you the chance to speak yourself. You know, what are the miscellaneous points, the mixed one, you can tell any random thing. So they are giving the chance, they are not asking you the specific things. So in the fourth point, you can make your own sentences about your hometown, the special things, the attractions, and what you like most about your hometown is the fifth point. That means what is so special about your hometown, why it is famous for, whether the job opportunities are there, or the some big kind of cloth market, or some religious places, historical places. In the sixth point, is there anything you dislike about it? So you can tell them the drawbacks also, that maybe the means of transport, means of communication is not so good, or the hospitals are very far away from your place, some kind of this thing. Okay, you can mention. They are not going to judge you whether you are right or wrong. They are just going to, see your communication skills. Now, this is the topic 3, describe accommodation. This is most commonly asked, and every time they ask you in the follow up questions or the main cue card, what kind of accommodation do you live in? Okay, so you will just explain, is it a flat or a house or rented apartment? And please describe it. Now, in the second part, you are again getting the chance to describe it in your own way. Okay, you can use mixed sentences, whatever you like, you can describe it. Okay, and in the third part, how long have you lived there? So, this is the specific question that you can mention since 2016 or for the last 8 years or maybe since childhood, right? So, you have to mention the duration. And do you plan, the fourth point, do you plan to live there for a long time? Now they are asking one more question, that for how long you will stay there in the future. So you have to tell, if you are a student, maybe you have 2 to 3 years to complete, and so you can tell the duration. If you are working somewhere or you are planning to change your job, so accordingly you can tell that how long will you live there. Who do you live with? That means your roommates or your accommodation flatmates, you can say. Maybe you are residing in your hometown, that means you are living with your parents, your siblings. Sixth is, which is your favorite room in the house? That means you have to tell, amongst the rooms, which one is your favorite and why is obvious. Again, you will give the reason. For example, you would say, I like the living room because all are sitting together and talking and sharing their feelings, their day, how was their day, and everything. So you like it. Maybe you like your parents' room, right? Because you feel comfortable, you feel blessed by sitting in that room and sharing your things with them. And if you are residing with your some roommates or some rented accommodation you are sharing with your friends or colleagues, then you can also select one room out of the complete apartment. And again, you have to give a very good reason for that. Okay, so they will not judge you whether the reason is wrong or right. They will judge how well you justify your reason. So this is what they are seeing. Okay, so this was describe accommodation, and do it very well. This is one of the most important topics. Now the topic 4, describe your best friend, who this person is. Obviously you will tell the name and the identity of that person, whether it is your cousin or your school friend or college friend, even your colleague. Okay, so you will tell something about that person along with his or her name. How you became friends with this person. So you have to create a story, whether it is a true story or on the spot, that what was the reason, what happened exactly in the past that you became friends, right? So what kind of things you like to do with this person? That means, what is your favorite activity whenever you are together, you sit together, or you just like to shop together, you want to you prefer to watch movies. So what is the activity you like to do with this person, the most favorite one? Explain why he or she is your best friend. Again, they are asking about the B or A part, a similar question, but this time they are asking you the reason why you selected this person. What is so special? What are the traits of this person? best quality, and you can just add some story behind it. Okay, that this happened in the past and he helped you, and you like his honesty or some other thing, he's very smart or intelligent. You have to use multiple adjectives to describe your best friend while giving the reason, okay, why he or she is your best friend. So this was the easiest one. It sounds easy and it is actually easy. Okay, describe your best friend. You can add more points just to elongate. Okay, but be careful that your things should be grammatically strong and well justified. Content should be there. It should not be random. It should not sound like funny or illogical. So they are going to judge you that your how well do you justify your statements. If you said that you like this point, why did you like this point? Okay, so you will tell the name, you will tell the reason, you will tell activity and why he is your best friend. Now the next one. Now, this is topic number 5. Describe a program or an application in your computer or phone. Now, the first question is quite obvious what the app is. Which application do you find very interesting? Which application you like in your phone or computer? For example, MS Word or WhatsApp or anything, Internet Explorer, and when exactly you started using it. So how long you have been using it, for the last 7 years, 8 years, or since particular day, you can mention. It is up to you how you define it. How you use it, that means, is it for the entertainment or your work is associated with this app? So you are going to describe that. Okay, for time pass you are using it or you are working on it. With the help of this you can earn some money. So you have plenty of reasons to justify the third point I'm saying. The fourth is how you feel about it, that what is the importance of this particular program or application in your life. Is it related to on bread and butter? So it is very important. So you are very thankful that you have this program. So this was the topic number 5. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.